3, 2, 1.
Okay, today we're going to do the power window, power lock, and power mirror switches on our 2012 2500 HD shop truck. First, you're going to need a flat blade screwdriver and a 10mm socket on a ratchet. Pop this lower piece of the actual door panel off without breaking the tabs. Lay it aside. Exposes two 10mm bolts. Sometimes it's just easier to use socket without the ratchet. Pull the handle off. The switch plate just pops up out of the door handle. Gentle, not to break any of your plastics. Squeeze tabs on the plugs. That's it. For the driver's side, we're going to get the new switches and re-edit the video inside with us replacing the switches. Okay, we've got the switch plate out from the driver's side. We're going to pop the power mirror switch out and replace it, and the power window switch out and replace it. On the driver's side, my lock button is still good. On the back side, take a flat blade screwdriver, pop the tabs while pushing from the underside on the mirror button itself, and this will allow it to release out of the clips. Let's say that. You can edit this part. And you can just stop. Okay, we got the window switch done. Now we're going to, or the power mirror switch done. Now we're going to do the window switch. Again, with your flat blade. Someone's already broke this one. We're going to gently push out. And pull. And here's the new one, just the opposite. Push it in until it clicks on all all four sides. Make sure it looks good from the top. It does. So we're done with the driver's side. Reassembly is just the opposite of disassembly. Plug in all your plugs, trying not to cross your wires. All the plugs are self-explanatory. They go in their own hole. Gently shove the wiring back down. Put the handle back on. Bolts back in. Ratchet to tighten it down. Your trim piece on just the opposite of when you took it apart, making sure you don't break any of the tabs. Snaps on, and that's the driver's side.